thing. I got something from American, guys, from a Crooklyn Kent. You know that guy? He sent me a package full of chocolates, guys. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? I want to show it to you guys. I forgot to show it to you. Shit. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Yep. I opened it already. Opened it. I ate one. But, so nice from him, you know? So, I got a package from New York. From a Crooklyn Cat. So, delivery was fast. Like 7 days, guys. You know? But you can do your own commentary. Oh, I'm doing that always. So I got some American chocolate which is called Reeses milk chocolate. 2 peanut butter cups. It's like this, guys. Reeses. You see? Reeses. I'm gonna put this away. Music. So, you know, if I'm gonna put that on YouTube, then nobody will fuck with me. You see? That's a Reeses chocolate. 2 peanut butter cups. Yeah, oh my God, Zygarde. Of course I think about you. What's up, Burek? Here you go. This is a 1 chocolate. So I got some Buncha Crunch. You know, they're from Nestle. They're kind of like not even American. They're European. Buncha Crunch. You know, Reeses are very popular here. Oh, you see, I never ate this. Never ate this. This is gonna be first time I'm gonna eat. So I got like a Buncha Crunch. You see some, what is that? Some crunchy chocolate. They're from Nestle. So, we got some Lindt. Those are European. I never ate this, but we have Lindt. I told him, don't buy me that fancy. It's too much. I want to eat what you eat on the street, you know. But man, thank you God, man. He sent me that. So we're gonna eat that. So what do we have? Kit Kat. We got 2 Kit Kats. We got 3 Kit Kats. You know, so energy is gonna be here. We got a Lindt 90 Cocoa. And we got a Hershey's. They say that this is a big Hershey's milk chocolate. They say it's really popular. You know. I tried to send home and stuff to France. I was going to 55. Yep, Twisted, he paid 50 bucks. Yeah, he paid 50 bucks. I'm still waiting, Twisted, your stuff, you know. You see, Crooklyn Cat just, you know, surpass you, how to say. Hershey's big one milk chocolate. But don't you worry, I'm gonna pay him back everything. I'm gonna send him a package of our chocolates. And then you're gonna see what is chocolate, guys. So those are some Ghirardelli, some Italian milk chocolate caramel. It looks nice because I love caramel so much, you know. We got some Reeses again. I can't wait for this. We got 1 more Reeses. And we got some fancy shit. White Man's Sampler. This one looks good, man. White Man's Sampler. It's a big 100 years. White Man's candy started in 1842 when Stephen F. Whitman set up all small. So this is American, you know. And thank you very much, Crook, for that. Of course, I'm gonna eat that on stream all the time. My mama told me, give that so you can give a present to your auntie. No. I'm not giving anything. I'm not giving any. This is everything for me. Everything, yeah. Yeah, everything is so expensive. Yeah, I think he paid like 80 bucks for this. But I'm gonna pay him back. I'm gonna buy him the best chocolates here. Something you don't have, Americans. And he's gonna eat as well. So I'm gonna open this. Which is very popular, Reeses. Greater just told me that those are very popular. Reeses. Oh my God, what the hell is this? Look. So you got like 2 cakes. 2 cakes. It's I never saw this before, if I'm honest. See, I never saw. It's kind of like, oh, you can smell peanut butter. Yeah, 2 peanut butter cups. So what, peanut butter inside? Yeah, Burek, I'm gonna send him Milka. What's up, Cyber? It's a little bit odd feeling because I never tasted it. It's kind of like sweet and salty peanut butter. It's not bad, but I'm just not used to it. It's something new. That's what I wanted to try, something new. Yeah, it's good. It's definitely something different. We don't have this in Europe. I never tried this. Peanut butter and chocolate, man. It's kind of mixed salt and sweet. I never tried this before. I ate peanut butter, but never with chocolate, guys. No, never. Yeah, twisted. So, it's not bad. Something different. 200 calories per pack. We're gonna burn that with playing FIFA. So thank you very much, Crook, for that. Follow those chocolates you sent me. I'm gonna put that on YouTube so he can check it out. And just wait, I'm gonna send you back, my friend, our specialties, our chocolates. And I think nothing can beat Milka, guys. I assure you guys, there is no chocolate which can beat Milka. When I'm gonna send you Milka, Crook, you're gonna see that you are living in the wrong continent! Because if you didn't grow with Milka, guys, then your life is miserable. Okay, so let's go play, guys. Thank you very much for that.